Alright, we're working on a traxxas slash, just adjusting the gears, cause this fucker wants to move. So, yeah, that's no bueno. Gotta fix that shit. I'll bring you guys along the journey. I don't know if you can see it or not, but we're gonna assume you can. Try to get the light good. So. I mean, it's real simple to work on these, man. I don't know why some people even take it somewhere, pay someone to fix it when you can just get the part and, fix it. Oh, yeah, this piece of shit, dude. Little fuck. Yeah, we gotta hold this bitch. I wish y'all had a phone stand. Put that back on. I like to hold it just in case. Those back plates back there like to wobble off. I don't know why they would. Oh, yeah. I think they just fucking did. Shh. Don't even. Don't even. You guys are just nuts, man, I'm telling you. This stupid ass thing. Alright. We're gonna get it good now. Yeah, I know. Y'all like to be a little loud. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten this fucker. Alright. I'm gonna tighten this fucker. That's if this fucker wants to work. I don't think this fucker wants to work with me today. Okay. Well there, boys. That is, not good. Oh, shit. I don't know. Oh, golly. Holy mackerel. Run with it. We're gonna run with it. Then you get your other motherfucking gear. But first, you gotta undo the motor a little bit so you can adjust it. Yeah, those are my birds laughing their ass off at me. I don't know why, but they are. So, there's a bottom bolt right there. Okay. Slide this shit back again. Okay. Oh shit, this little guy's small. Take this gear, line it up with it. Okay, now I'm gonna get the teeth set, you know, so it's riding on both of the teeth. Even it out, so it's like flat, you know. You don't see one sprocket sticking farther out than the other. Actually, yeah, that's a good way to pronounce it and say it. Okay, so now, that looks pretty good to me. Will you stop laughing at me? Thank you. I'm going to tighten the other sprocket. Tie that down first. That's exactly why I fucking hate these set screws, man. I fucking hate these gosh damn set screws. I do. Maybe it's this gosh damn tool that's stripping out. But I got more. Don't you worry. You came prepared. We came prepared. Wow, he even gave me tweezers with this shit. This is some small set screws right here, buddy. A small set screw. I think we found the one. I don't think that's right. We did not find the one. That's not right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti yo-yos. Yeah. Look, it came with little tweezers so you can get your set screws out of the bag. Like, obviously get it on the key, but like, oh shit. Will you guys stop laughing? Ha ha. Is that you? It is? I know it's you, Kai. I know it's you, Kai. Why are you laughing? I know it's you, Kai. I know it's you. You ain't gotta be so angry, bro. You ain't gotta be so angry. No, you don't. You ain't gotta be angry. Bop da bop da bop. Yeah. Now you take your fucking motor and you shove it at it. Okay. You just shove it at it. And you tighten it. Then you're gonna do reverse exactly of what you did. Tighten the motor up, put the cover on. I hate this bottom screw. Woo-wee. Especially since this bracket is in my way. Let me try it this way. Okay. Oh. Holy shit! Okay. I'm getting this shit. God, that bottom bolt pisses me off. Okay, done. Good. I'll put this hoe on. Fucking hoe ass. Fucking stupid ass tire. Guess what? We ain't gonna short running. You guys will see it in another video. I'd say you change the spur and drive gear. Now, this fucker's old, man. But I gotta get to working on that. I gotta get to my Jeep over there. So.